56th officer of the war. Dozens of Russian soldiers have been killed in Ukraine's first ever strike on one of Putin's command posts using US long-range missile artillery, Kiev says. At least 40 of Moscow's men died after Ukrainian troops used an American HIMARS system to blow up a base near the city of Izium in Donbass, commander said. Footage which emerged on Sunday showed the aftermath of the attack, including blown-out buildings and smoldering supply trucks painted with the Z war symbol. Separately, it was revealed that the same weapon system killed a Russian colonel, making him the 56th top officer to be killed during the war. Andrei Vasilyev, 49, commander of an elite VDV paratrooper regiment, died in a strike in an unknown location on Friday night, local media said. Vasilyev's death occurred the same night that footage first emerged of Ukrainian forces opening fire with HIMARS, with video also taken at night. It's not clear whether the strike captured on film and the strike that killed Vasilyev were one and the same, but the timing of his death means he's almost certainly one of the first Russian officers to be killed by the weapon. The strike on the Izium command post is thought to have been a separate attack, although Ukraine has not said precisely when that happened. Kiev's commander said that attack blew up a school, Izium Lyceum No. 2, which was being used as a base by Russian forces in the region. They said at least 40 men from the 20th Army of Russian Armed Forces Western Military District, Unit 89425, originally based in Voronezh, were killed. All personnel stationed at the command post were demilitarized. Over 40 people, claimed Ukraine. Russia acknowledged the attack and admitted it had been carried out with HIMARS, but said it had actually hit a hospital and killed 2 civilians. America began sending advanced, long-range rocket artillery systems to Ukraine earlier this month, after repeated requests from Kiev, which said it needed the weapons to level the playing field with Russian batteries in the Donbass. The systems are in demand for their ability to carry out precision strikes over long distances, more than double the range of the howitzers the West has already sent. Ukraine's commander said they intend to use the artillery systems to strike deep behind the Russian front line, destroying command posts such as the one in Izium, while also blowing up arms dumps to hamper Moscow's advance. Training with the weapon systems began outside Ukraine on June 7th, and the first batteries entered the country last week. Footage shot on an unknown date but circulated last week showed a HIMARS battery opening fire late at night, striking an unknown target. The America-made HIMARS systems are expected to be followed by British M270 MLRS launchers, a similar system which is less maneuverable but delivers a heavier payload which should arrive in the coming weeks. The US and UK combined are thought to have pledged 11 HIMARS or MLRS to Ukraine, which President Zelensky has thanked them for insisting his country needs more to win the war. HIMARS and MLRS systems have widely varying ranges and effects based on the type of projectile fired, which can range from precision-guided to cluster bombs. Using ammunition provided by the West, it is thought Ukraine's systems have a range of around 45 miles, compared to 20 miles for the M777 howitzer it is also using. Joe Biden has ruled out sending the longest-range rocket with a range of some 300 miles, fearing Kiev would use it to strike mainland Russia. The Pentagon fears that would lead to an escalation in the war and may drag NATO into the conflict.